Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of How to Login. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can log into your Voicify's account. Keep watching the video till the end. To log into your Voicify's account, firstly go ahead and open up your Google search. On the search box at the top, type in voicify.ai and make a search. The official page of Voicify AI will appear on the screen. Click on Login option at the top right side of the page. You will end up on the login page of Voicify AI. Enter your email address and password associated with your Voicify AI's account and tap on Sign In. Click on an eye icon to check if you have entered your password correctly or not. In case if you don't remember your password, click on Forgot Password option. This is how you can log into your Voicify's account quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.